Hello everyone. It's Yuan, Mindae, and Sonu. I have a question. Raise your hand if you dreamed of traveling to space. Wow, so many people are dreamed of traveling to space. Now, why don't we watch our conversation? Hey, do you want to go see a movie this weekend? What movie? The Martian is coming back this year. Didn't you that was a long time ago? The one about surviving on Mars. And why don't you watch the movie trailer? Okay.
Rodney, I'm alive. Now I'm stranded on Mars.
전기 박스오피스 분위 전 세계에 강탄 흥행 대장 반드시 불안할 것이다. 마션
Just like the fictional journey of Mars passing to Mars, real world space exploration began long before, with humanity's first steps beyond Earth.
Do you remember the name of the first artificial satellite launched by humankind? In 1957, when the Soviet Union's Sputnik 1 was sent into space. In March, the moment human crossed the boundary of Earth, the moment humanity first stepped onto one edge.
70 years have passed since then, and now we are looking toward new edge.
Mars!
Mars itself is another kind of edge, a red planet where no living being has ever existed, and no humans has ever set foot.
Then, how did Watney in the movie Martian manage to survive on Mars, our new edge? In The Martian, Mark Watney survives alone on Mars. The scenes showing his struggle are not just science fiction. They depict situations that could actually happen based on real science.
First,
Ba-bam!
crazy water. Watney extracts hydrogen from a type of rocket fuel used in rover's engine and combines it with oxygen to produce water. This is a real chemical reaction and demonstrates a possible method that could actually be used to produce water for survival.
Second, ba-bam! Growing potatoes. He cultivates crops in Mars soil using human waste and potato pieces but from Earth. The key point here is the Mars soil condition and how we might plants grow in it. In fact, NASA has already tested the Mars soil simulation and found that certain potatoes varieties that thrive in high altitude regions can grow to some extent. Third, repairing the oxygen system. When the oxygen generator and CO2 filters fail, Watney keeps them running with creative temporary solutions. It reminds us the importance of problem-solving on site and shows how life support system might be managed in real missions.
If you are stuck on Mars, which is field would you value more, farming or engineering? This raises another question. Why do people want to reach Mars?
Aside from the fact, Mars is closest planet to Earth and it has many appearing features. It days its last 24 hours and 14 minutes. It has a seasonal change and it has ancient of fast water flow. This is why Mars is called the second Earth. But reality is harsh. Mars's atmospheric pressure is only 1% of Earth. The average temperature is minus 60 degrees Celsius. Radiation is 100 times stronger than on Earth, and soil contains chemicals harmful to plants.
Would you still choose to go to Mars if you had to underground for the rest of your life? Can humans really live in such a place?
This is the reason why scientists are considering the new idea terraforming, changing Martian environment to make it more like Earth, so humans could bear more easily. Some suggestions include melting the frozen CO2 at the Mars poles to thicken the atmosphere, using space minerals to warm the planet, and growing oxygen-producing plants and microbes. Others even propose creating an artificial magnetic field to block the radiation and building underground shelter for protection. So in fact, in now, the moving to Mars is not just a distant dream. Even now, we are moving to our new edge, the Mars.
Just as scientists reached Mars through years of effort, we too can overcome our own edge through hard work.
So, terraformers will continue to support you until you cross your edge. Thank you.